Okay, a little demonstration to explain once and for all what this dynamic Vectrex overlay project is attempting to do. Okay, so I've got a little mock-up of what current plastic static overlay or a static video overlay. We'll put that on Vectrex. You have coloured transparency, and you can see this is the little rider from Stuntman Stories, and it would normally be white, but because the overlay is in front of it, it's coloured wherever the plastic sections are coloured that colour. So you can see that as he goes into the green bit, he's coloured using the green banding. Okay, so that's fine. One thing you do get with the overlays, you can have matte areas, so you can see where the red and white is on the outside. You don't see the bike through that, which can be used to mask things out. Okay, but with the dynamic overlay, what it's attempting to do is to generate an image on the overlay screen, which is what taking apart my monitor screen is all about. Generating an image that travels with the vector graphic. So I'll try and demonstrate what I mean by this. So I've taken away the overlay and what I've now got is a dynamic overlay. So I've got an image that is tracking. Well, in this case, I've just paused it, so it's not tracking. You can see the bike, it's in white. So I've generated this image. It's just a graphic, and it's coloured, and I can colour it quite fine depending on how well the LCD works. But if I set it to track, you can see that just by making it move in sync with the bike and the rider, I can colour them separately. So I've just done a rough colouring here. I've got the rider in blue and the bike in green. I've put a little glow effect on it as well. And that's what I'm attempting to do. And there's as long as you can keep things in sync, it shouldn't be a problem with there being many objects on screen. Because the computer side controlling the monitor, that's like a piece of cake to that. You're just moving some coloured sprites around, that's all. The key thing is being able to sync it. And I don't really know I'm going to do that. That's the tricky bit. So I need to buy another monitor because I smashed the other one. And then try and do some non-sync. What I was going to do, because I don't know, I'm going to connect the Vectrex to the computer. I was going to generate something on screen that if I point a webcam at it, I could process the webcam image, work out what the sync information is, and then feed that into my program. So I might do it that way, which seems a bit crazy, but I don't know about interfacing equipment. I might have to ask out for help for that. But yeah, that's essentially what it's trying to do. So if it's not synced, obviously the overlay, the dynamic overlay thing just gets put on screen anywhere. But if I sync it, you can colour in individual characters. So that's basically it.